Good morning, traders, and God bless. I am Ricky Gaspard, your host for this pre market session. And each morning we listen for stocks to be called out in this streamer up here, or we watch for the yellow breakout in these two scans down below. Once we see a stock we're interested in, we come over and we check the current bar volume. We want to make sure we have high volume flow, a big battle going on in that stock. We want this number really flying, not sitting still. Once we confirm the volume, we want to see the money flow indicator, this green line pointing north above the yellow line. At the same time, in Dominator Master, we want to see these green bars, which are buyers, breaking above the yellow line down here as well. That yellow line represents average volume. Also, if you are a new trader, I highly suggest you watch these live streams many times before you put your hard earned money into it. Maybe trade on paper, write down your entry, your exit, and your results. If you continue to be profitable on paper, then change over to real money, but trade small share size. Anywhere between 1 and 10 shares should do it. If you continue to be profitable with real money, the only thing you need to do to increase your profit is increase your share size. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you reach out to the proper authorities before you take any of my advice or use any of my indicators. You could lose some or all of your money. Also, in your active trader, make sure that your TIF is on EXT so you can trade the pre market session. And good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Good morning, YouTubers. You are on board this morning. We have about 3.5 minutes to go before the market opens at the top of the hour. Haven't seen too much moving this morning. Nvidia is starting to move around a little bit. That's due to earnings to be released after the market closes. It's been pretty quiet this morning. Hopefully, we pick up some momentum here somewhere. 2 minutes to go. Testing mic again. Thank you. Watching KZIA here. Indicators don't look so good on money flow. Kind of pulling back. We do have some sellers down here in the dominator bar. That would be the red part. I am on a 5 minute this morning. Yesterday we were playing around with the 15 minute. Don't forget about the delta label down here. When this sellers is green and this delta turns green, that's the strongest move it's making at the current time. OLMA, the one that ran up quite high yesterday from $10 to 30 something, 33, 35, somewhere around there.
GGLL.
Then we had the Cloudflare issue and most people could not trade it. Volume is a little bit slow on this one. It's not moving currently. Two green labels down here. Buyers are getting interested. Need to see the volume picking up. And it fades right back off.
GGLL.
All right, looks like we're playing the waiting game this morning. BRA is a YouTube pump stock this morning. I was watching them talk about it. KZIA, looking at the volume is steady. Money flow is pointing north. Dominator bars are green. We need these two labels to turn green. Chris, we are on the 5 minute. It's right up here on the chart. Pushing higher. We
SCO.
do have the green labels now. The buyers are interested. Let's see how far they push it. Coming back in.
SCO.
Currently at 935. I'm going to go ahead and put that level of resistance up there at $10 because it'll probably stop there, providing it does run.
SCO.
As long as these labels keep turning green, it should move up a little bit. Need more buyers, need more volume. Seems to be stuck here at 925.
GGLL. RR.
Buyers are still sitting here. We need another tall green bar to come in on Dominator Master. That tells me there's new buyers coming into the market.
GGLL. UGL.
Back up to that 925. Can we keep going? 936. Developing some wicks on the top. These are sellers driving the price back down. Well, you got to start there, Gary. I haven't even done that yet. We need a really good, strong runner.
TMC. HIMZ. TMC. GGLL. TMC.
TMC. Let's see if this one's going to move. Checking the volume. It is extremely low to stop. So nothing on that one.
GGLL. TMC. TMC. NVDL. GGLL.
We'll keep an eye on TMC here and see if the buyers start coming in. The volume is still low. We do have money flow pointing north. We do have a green bar.
NVDL. TMC.
We do have green labels, just that the volume is not there yet.
NVDX.
I'm going to throw a resistance line up here at
NVDL.
605. That's really where the high is on
HIMZ.
pre-market.
NVDX.
NVIDIA pushing up a
NVDL.
little bit pre-earnings. Let's go to NVDX. For those of you who may want to get a piece of it if it picks up.
SEMR. TMC.
TMC is at that resistance line I drew earlier. SEMR spiking up. Watching the volume, it is steady. We do have a big green money flow indicator and a dominator bar. We do not have the two labels here green yet. These numbers do look good, 73% and 85. Want to see both of these hitting 90s, 95s, and 100s.
NVDL.
If this is a buyout offer, it will probably stop at 12, maybe a little less, maybe a little
TMC.
more. The volume stopped.
NVDL. TMC.
TMC keeps being called out occasionally. We're breaking above that 605, but we don't have the volume there. It's pretty much dormant.
TMC. NVDL. TMC. NVDX. NVDL.
NVIDIA moving a little.
NVDX. NVDL. TMC. NVDL, NVDL, NVDX, BOIL, NVDL, NVDX, NVDL,
Nvidia still moving higher.
BOIL, NVDL,
I got in Nvidia at 1,000 shares 73 cents ago, so I'm up 730. But it keeps dropping,
SCO,
running up a little, dropping, running up a little. Well, now 69 cents ago. I'll probably put a stop loss at $500 if it drops that low, but I can't put one in there now, so I'll just have to monitor it.
NVDL, NVDX, NVDL, SCO, TSLL,
Let's see what Tesla's doing this morning. I see it up there on the scan. Maybe Tesla will follow. Lenny, right now the money is in pre-market. We are making some money when the market regular session first opens, but after about 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, the volume dies in the regular session. And I have a few traders that hang in there and try to make more money, but I quit trading about 9:30 only because of the low volume conditions.
TSLR.
For the last year, I believe there's been more money in pre-market than the regular session.
TSLT.
And we do quite
TSLR.
well, not to brag, but we do very
TSLL.
good.
TSLL. TSLT. TSLR. BOIL. RDW. RDW. RDW.
RDW, RDW.
NVDL.
Checking the volume, RDW. It's frozen. Going to sell half of my NVIDIA here for, let's see what I get out of it, $400. Hanging on to 500 shares.
RDW.
It's been open overnight for quite some time.
BOIL.
It's just that the volume is not there for 24-hour trading.
RDW.
RDW needs a lot more volume. It's kind of slow and sluggish and pausing. This would not be a good scalp trade. You might not can get out of it if you get in.
TSLL. TSLL.
Tesla moving up a little bit. Might be riding the tails of NVIDIA. Has nothing to do with NVIDIA, but
BOIL.
usually a big company moves up, it brings a few with it. RIME. Cheaper stock down at
NVDL.
240. Watching volume here. Let's see if we have enough volume to make a trade on it. It is pretty steady. We do have money flow north. We do have a green bar, but we do not have the green labels.
NVDL. NVDX. NVDL. RCAT. NVDL, NVDX, NVDL, IRE, NVDL,
Sold the other half of my
TSLL,
NVIDIA. I'm going to get in on a pullback. I know we're probably getting near
IRE,
one. Got 610 on this second half, just over 1,000 on the profit.
TSLL, TSLT, TSLR, RCAT,
RIME not getting anywhere.
BOIL,
See if we can get these two green labels on RIME. The volume is increasing slightly. Money flow is not looking good on this stock.
TSLL,
Tesla's still grinding its way higher.
TSLL,
We do have green labels. We don't have a lot of money flow bars, dominator bars pushing above the yellow line.
RCAT,
So the volume is below average. I should say the buyers are below average.
TSLT, RCAT, NVDX,
NVDX
NVDL,
pushing up a little more. That's NVIDIA, NVDL, NVDA, NVDX. They're all NVIDIA.
PTIR, SCO, NVDL, NVDX,
and video looking nice here. Everything is good except we are still under low volume.
BOIL. IRE. PTIR. TSLT. BOIL. BOIL. RDW. ZSPC. POET. BOIL. RCAT.
RCAT, no volume, just the occasional buyer.
ZSPC.
Haven't seen any real good runners yet this morning. Might end up playing the dips on Nvidia most of the day. All of the scanners are quiet, nothing moving at this time.
LAC.
We're supposed to have a Texas exchange open up in 26.
PTIR.
Hopefully that's still on track.
BOIL. BOIL.
BOIL, you'll hear it called out a lot, but it only moves pennies at a time.
PTIR. IRE. BITF. IRE. TSLR.
Tesla still looking north under low volume conditions.
IRE. IRE.
Not much volume on IRE.
BITF. IRE. IRE. BITF. BOIL. IRE. PTIR. SCO. BOIL. SOXL. PTIR. SMCX. TSLT. SOXL. PTIR.
Still not finding that one running stock. Everything is slow this morning.
BOIL. SMR. SCO. BOIL.
Watching Nvidia here. I sold when we hit resistance here. I'm hoping it pulls back down to 87.50.
BOIL.
Hey, Rick, I hope so. I hope we get some pullback plays on it. I didn't like the volume
RDW.
on it this morning. It was very slow. I'm just over a grand autumn rain. 11:23 it looks like. Thank you very much. All right, YouTubers, I tried to get you a trade in. If you didn't play Nvidia, then you probably didn't make anything. But thank you for joining me this morning. My next session for free on YouTube will be Friday at 6 a.m. Central Time. If you're interested in more information about
VOIL.
volumespikes.com, click the link at at above the chat area, the little white label up there. It'll tell you all about me, the community, and what we do and what I offer. We'd love to have you come and join us. So have a successful trading day. God bless you, and I'll see everyone on Friday.